Experiencing the northern lights in Norway can be a truly awe-inspiring and unforgettable experience. Here are some tips on how to make the most of your trip. Timing: the best time to see the northern lights in Norway is from late September to early April, when the nights are long and dark. You can check the aurora forecast before you go to increase your chances of seeing the lights. Location: the northern lights can be seen throughout Norway, but the best places to see them are in the northern part of the country, such as Tromsø, Alta, and the Lofoten Islands. These places are far enough north to provide clear skies and good viewing conditions, but also accessible by car or public transportation. Accommodation: there are many types of accommodations available in Norway, from hotels to guest houses to camping sites. To enhance your experience of seeing the northern lights, consider staying in a glass igloo or a heated cabin with a view of the sky. Some hotels also offer guided tours and aurora alarms to help you catch the lights. Dress warmly: Norway can get very cold in the winter, so it's important to dress warmly with layers, a hat, gloves, and good winter boots. It's also a good idea to bring hand warmers, a thermos with a hot drink, and a blanket. Activities: in addition to seeing the northern lights, Norway offers many other winter activities, such as dog sledding, snowmobiling, skiing, and ice fishing. These activities can be a fun way to enjoy the snowy landscapes and make the most of your trip. Safety: finally, it's important to be aware of the risks of traveling in Norway in the winter, such as icy roads and extreme weather conditions. Make sure to check the weather forecast and road conditions before you go, and consider booking a guided tour or hiring a local driver to ensure your safety. Thank you.